The word country can be hard to pin down. It can be nation state, the outdoors, or a genre of music.
But how does a country become a country? In today's programme, we'll look at what it takes to change the world map.
Welcome to Map Men.
We're the men,
And here's the map. Map Men, Map Men, Map Men.
The world map is reassuringly solid, with clear, thick black lines to let you know what's one thing and what's not that one thing. A more recent and more ongoing example can be found in East Africa. When ex-British Somaliland got independence in the 60s, they joined with their ex-Italian neighbours to become one happy Horn of African country.
This happiness quickly became unhappiness under a brutal dictatorship, and, following a devastating civil war, Somaliland once again declared independence in 1991. Today, Somaliland have their own separate military, passports, even currency.
Somaliland sent a request to the UN asking for their seal of approval, but despite fitting all the criteria for becoming a new country, the UN still hasn't lifted a finger. It doesn't help that other African nations refuse to acknowledge Somaliland's independence. Countries like Mali and Morocco, with separatist movements of their own, are terrified of an independence domino effect.
So Somaliland remains in limbo as an autonomous region of Somalia. Despite its clearly enforced border, Google Maps doesn't even bother with a dotted line, let alone a solid one.
Why is it so hard to get the attention of the UN? How come Somaliland didn't manage it, but South Sudan did?
South Sudan successfully became the world's newest proper recognised by the UN country in July 2011. Exactly like Somaliland, they had a historical claim to their land, fought a civil war, and were just as politically obscure in the eyes of the world's richest countries. So what was that final missing piece that made the UN pay attention?
Hello, I'm George Clooney, and I think South Sudan should be a new country. That's why.
Hollywood humanitarian George Clooney has been raising awareness about the plight of the Sudanese ever since the Darfur conflict in the mid-2000s. Nobody cares about Sudan.
I said I'm George Clooney, and I can make people care about South Sudan because I say I care. I mean, because I do care. I'm not acting now, this is real.
Damn it. Oh my god, you are George Clooney, winner of an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor. Sudan in 2, you say? Consider it done.
I'm a hero!